How you going, guys and girls? Your cake here. Look at this beautiful place. Well, anyway, getting back to business end. The business end, they said. Remember I was just talking to you about some tsunami rocks on the other side. Well, what I'm going to show you guys is the world's largest tsunami rock. There is was growing from somewhere down there from the ocean, and I'm just going to turn it around. It will fucking blow your mind up. Hey, look at this big bugger. Look, there's a reef, sign of reef and everything on it. Imagine bench pressing that, guys. Hey, you can do a couple set on that, and you'll be right. But yeah, this is the world's largest tsunami rock that was ever been thrown from an ocean. So have a look at it. There's a big rock. When we were little kids, we used to kind of climb up over here after swimming. And on that side, you can see it right up on this side here. So this big rock was thrown from the ocean up over here. But also storytelling and myth. It was thrown by the legendary Maui. It was a part god. He was a part god and part human. So he got angry at a chicken and threw this rock to kill the rooster. It's like, I need one of this rock for those guys who's waking me up in the morning. And those bell through one. But yeah, this is huge, eh? That's just totally amazing how this big rock come from the ocean. I mean, the ocean is like 200 or 300 meters away. And this rock got dumped over here by some mighty big tsunami, many blue moons away. Oh yeah, it's sort of cave underneath and all that, but there you go, guys. Biggest tsunami rock there is in the world. You will never see anything like this anywhere in the world except here in Tonga. So enjoy your day. Your cake's gonna travel to the other side and do a few things. Alright, I'll leave it with it, guys, and have a good day. And don't forget to press like and share and subscribe. I'm hoping that I can reach some milestone of subscribers so I can help football girls. Yes, so there you go. Thank you very much, and I'll catch up on the next video.